Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear little friend? Alhamdulillah, I am fine, and you? Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. What is your name? I am Maryam. Your name? I am Adiba. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. How are you reading? I reading madrasa. Are you reading madrasa? Yes, I reading madrasa. What is your madrasa name? My madrasa name is Markazut Tahfizul Qur'an Model Madrasa Sharmoin Sinha. What is your principal name? My principal name is Hafiz Maulana Abu Tahir Misbah. If what subject to reading your madrasa? This Quran, Hadith, Dua, Masala and Bengali Math etc. I am very happy that subject top in the Dodirampur Madrasa of Bangladesh. I will get my grade